Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best ductless air conditioner.
Starting at number 5.
Senville Senna 36HF. Suppose you want the ability to adjust your air conditioning from your smartphone. In that case, this model from Senville includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to be operated remotely from an Android or iOS device. It's suitable for large space, thanks to its 4-zone setup and 36,000 BTU output, plus it also has heating, dehumidification, and fan settings. The unit has turbo and quiet modes for even more versatility, and it can automatically switch from cooling to heating based on the ambient temperature. The Senville air conditioner has a 16-foot installation kit, but professional installation is recommended. Some customers say it has a loud outdoor startup sound that quakes the floor.
Coming at number 4.
MRCOOL DIY 24K. The newest version of this ductless, high-efficiency mini-split system is specifically designed for DIY installation, and no special tools are required. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, and features an auto restart if there's a power outage, leakage detection, and sleep mode on the remote to adjust the temperature automatically during the night. The unit heats and cools, with 24,000 BTUs of power and a SEER rating of 20. Operation is also relatively quiet. Overall, it's a great package, albeit a pricey one.
At number 3.
Pioneer Air Conditioner. This ductless air conditioner is perfect for small rooms and spaces, with a coverage that can handle areas between 200 and 350 square feet. Great for climate control storage in small bedrooms, the WYS009A20 is an ENERGY STAR certified machine that'll help you save money year-round. It cools as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit and heats up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a permanent washable air filter and a remote control for easy operation, though you have to buy an additional remote to use Wi-Fi capabilities. It also operates at only 23 decibels, making it one of the quietest machines on this list, and it has 4 modes: cooling, heating, dehumidification, and ventilation. After installation, Pioneer provides free tech support and 5-year coverage on replacement parts and the compressor.
Number 2 of my list.
DELLA 24,000 BTU. This model from DELLA is a great value, and it still delivers 24,000 BTUs/hour, making it suitable for rooms up to 1,500 square feet. In addition to cooling, this unit has settings for heating, dehumidification, and ventilation, and it has a variety of useful features, including a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, and multiple fan speeds, all of which can be adjusted using the included remote control. It comes with a full installation kit, including a 10-foot line set, and it operates between 30 and 41 decibels, depending on the settings.
And number 1.
Senville LETO series. This highly rated AC unit from Senville comes in a number of sizes, ranging from 9,000 BTUs all the way up to 24,000 BTUs, and it comes in 120 and 230 volt models. It has 4-in-1 functionality, working as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan, and it operates at just 34 decibels, making it a tranquil option for a bedroom or nursery. You can control all of its settings via the included remote. The air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, including a communication cable and copper lines, but it's important to note the brand requires professional installation for the unit's 5-year warranty to be valid.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.